Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I'll be reviewing the Comfier Air Compression Neck and Back Shiatsu Massager. We got this for our dad and for Father's Day, and he's loved it. We just opened it up today, so still have the boxes around there. Anyways, this is the remote with all the functionalities, vibrations. These are the levels or the different type of vibrations you get. This is for the neck. This is for the type of massage that you want, either Shiatsu, which is just like rolls, or it moves in two directions, and then the rolling one, which is basically goes up and down. Here we have the spot option, which is to stop the massager on any specific spot in your back. Then we have the air compression modalities, and then this is the heat button. This is where you turn it on and off. Now this, we have it connected here, and it brings like some sort of a battery here. You can see the voltage in the voltage instructions in the box. Well, anyways, the material is really good. I don't know if you can appreciate that from the camera, but it's actually awesome. Has a little zipper right here. This thing you can actually take on and off, and we have it right now in a couch for a better or a more optimal functionality. Well, anyways, you see this things right here. This fills with air with the air compression modes, and then let me just turn it on for you to see. So click it here. Now it's on. So let's say, for example, let's turn on the neck. Let me show you how it moves. I don't know if you can appreciate that movement over there. That's the Shiatsu movement. It's pretty cool. It actually feels amazing. So I don't know if you can appreciate this part right here. This is where, if you see those two blue balls, this is the movement. That's the Shiatsu movement right here. And it's pretty cool, pretty cool. That feels awesome in the back. I don't know if you can see that there or appreciate the movement. It goes all the way up and down, and the movement is just amazing. So this is amazing, guys. I really highly recommend this product. I bought it in Amazon. I live overseas, but it came pretty quickly. I got it in less than a week. All the way from the US to the Dominican Republic, so that's something cool. Well, guys, that's the Comfier Air Compression Neck and Back Shiatsu Massager. It also has a little pocket right here. You can put the remote right there, and they actually recommend taking massage sessions no longer than 15 minutes. Let your body rest, and no more than 3 sessions per day. Well, that's the Comfier functioning right now. My dad loved it, so that was cool. And you can put this on a couch. You can put it on a chair, anywhere where you feel is comfortable for you. Well, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully, I'll have more videos for you. That was the Comfier Neck and Back Massage with Shiatsu movement. Have a good one now, and I'll be reviewing some other products anytime soon. Have a good one now. Bye.